Hi, I'm Daryll Knowles and welcome to the ACP Experience.
When it was founded in 2003, Director and Head Pharmacist Daryll Knowles aimed to make Australian Custom Pharmaceuticals the standard to which all other compounding pharmacies were held. With 20 years of experience in pharmaceutical compounding, Daryll had a well-established knowledge base from which to draw. In just 2 years, this was achieved, with Daryll and his team taking the largest market share of compounded medications of any organisation in any country in the world. His concept of modern compounding has taken the Australian market by storm and has proved to be a model for compounders the world over. There are several keys to the success of Australian Custom Pharmaceuticals. Perhaps most important is the people that have helped build ACP to where it is today. Using a combination of pharmacists and technicians, the process of modern compounding at ACP is a functional hybrid of automation, innovation and adaptation. At any one time, there are no less than 6 pharmacists on deck to ensure medications are being made correctly, answer prescribing questions, or provide patient counselling about their received medications. Our highly trained technicians are an integral part of modern compounding, as they can carry out the assigned tasks without the interruption to which pharmacists are susceptible. Modern compounding is defined by the ACP difference. That is our size, efficiency, equipment, people, expertise, and quality assurance, as well as our constant investment in innovation and new technologies, all come together to form the ACP experience. We call this compounding with confidence. Our strategic alliance with NextGen Wholesaling is a most important factor that has allowed for effective streamlining of raw material purchase and production. As Australia's largest buyer of compounding raw materials, ACP and NextGen Wholesaling have formed a synergy that is beneficial to both companies and, ultimately, the consumer. Cost savings incurred from bulk purchases at ACP are passed on directly to the consumer. Many patients are surprised that they can receive medication and service of such high standard at such a low price. Carrying huge stock lines means that ACP always has raw materials on hand to fill the orders of those patients. Rarely do our patients experience long lead times to receive their medication. In any modern compounding facility, an important factor is the ability to internally test incoming raw materials, as well as testing formulas for stability and longevity. A modern compounding lab should also be able to test release rates of medications to determine how the patient will receive their dose after taking their medication. ACP has the ability to test these and many more aspects of their formulations. Our completely integrated analytical lab, overseen by the analytical chemist, Dr. Chi Hua, gives ACP a depth to their formulation development that is not seen in any other compounding pharmacy in Australia. The lab includes 3 high-performance liquid chromatography machines, friabilitator, UV-vis spectrophotometer, viscometer, disintegration tester and dissolution test station. Having such an extensive lab allows for constant refinement and investigation into new formulas that give ACP a competitive edge. Director of Research and Development, Dr. James Rowe, has over 40 years industry experience and is co-author of several patents relating to drug design and formulation. In any modern compounding facility, the ability to formulate your own products successfully is important. The ability to test them is essential.
For a modern compounder to maximise public safety and reduce human error, it is imperative they have access to an analytical lab to test their medications for stability and dose distribution. It is essential for modern compounders using hazardous materials and methods to fully understand the science of drug development and create their own formulas. If a compounder is not developing their own formulas, but rather using stock formulas with disclaimers, they may be putting themselves and their prescribing doctors at risk.
ACP currently carries a formulary of over 2,500 products, and it's growing daily. From designing specific cream bases for optimal drug delivery to new novel delivery systems, our research and development department is a must-have for any modern compounder. With the largest lab space of any compounding pharmacy in Australia, the efficiency of the ACP laboratories is largely credited to Alan Plummer, ACP's laboratory manager. With extensive experience both nationally and internationally, to ACP, Alan brings an experience in aseptic dispensing techniques that has catapulted our sterile section into the marketplace. giving us a depth to produce almost any preparation desired by a practitioner. An exciting development of the work processes at ACP is our dispensing software. The first of its kind, ACP's system manages its orders, payments, calculation, weighing and production, checking and shipping of each medication that is processed in our facility. Taking a massive step toward eliminating human error, as modern compounding demands, the ACP dispensing system utilises fully integrated computerised scales and a barcoding system that can pinpoint the exact raw material batch for every raw material used in the medication.
Here at ACP, we've developed a unique software program that decreases human error while increasing patient safety to new levels. The ACP software integrates elements of good manufacturing practice while maintaining the personal patient, doctor and pharmacist relationship. The fully integrated scanning feature of our system provides information for raw material purity, product recall, compounding process quality through to web-based parcel traceability. All of these features add up to what is possibly the world's most sophisticated compounding software available.
Thank you for taking the time today to experience modern compounding the ACP way.